Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe in Brooklyn Gray with the black red interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe Exclusive Edition in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. So I've just pressed unlock, so we've got that nice headlight welcome shimmer from the snake eyes. And I've got the key with me, so let me just press and hold panic for 1 second. Full low beam system on, so you got the 4 headlight system there. So before we begin the presentation, let me just do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And car's looking great. This vehicle is actually picked up by one of our viewers. Hey Micheal, he reached out to me and said, look, you've got this car in stock, what can we do? So we put this all together and the car is detailed now, and I promised him I'd shoot a video for him, and I wanted to shoot this car anyways, and we'd shout him out. So this is the Brooklyn Gray M440i. Let's take a look at all the details. So we got Brooklyn Gray Metallic. It's one of 3 colors the exclusive edition is available in. We also have mineral white and black sapphire metallic. And you can see the nice body lines coming down the hood lengthwise into our focal point, which is the BMW Rondell. And we've got the newly designed kidney grille for the LCI with the horizontal slats. And you can see that we've got the active grille shutters behind there, and we also have the M badging on the driver's side. Now, there's no front plate bracket on here. We're gonna end up putting it on after the video. You can see the front facing camera here as well, which is pretty cool. And of course, we also have functional air ducts on each side. And of course, let's get one more headlight welcome shimmer. I love that. So let's take a closer look at the BMW LED shadow line headlights with the blue accents. So we've got some light coming through the side, the snake eye headlight, and full low beam system on. You can see we've got these stacks of LEDs and the actual low beam bulb itself. So that is pretty awesome. Now, if we come and take a look around at the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch 862 individual wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake back there. So that is looking sweet. And it says BMW individual on one part here. We've got the M badge on the fender to signify in the Canadian market that this is B58 power. We've got this little cutout here that goes underneath the doors. We have the matte black rocker panel here. We also have the black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. And if I go ahead and press unlock, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a welcome light carpet shining down on the floor. And we've got the sunroof up top. Windows were also tinted 35%. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access available on all 4 door handles. We also have the Hofmeister kink here, the new style antenna, black spoiler on the trunk lid. There's your rear 20-inch 862 individual wheel. And if we come around to the back here, you'll see that we've got the beautiful laser tail lights. We've got the camera integrated right into the BMW Rondell. M440i badging in brushed aluminum. And down here, we've got the horizontal reflectors, rear diffuser, and the freeform exhaust, where we're going to hear that beautiful B58 sound from. Now I've got the key with me, so if I just go ahead and kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle, that's going to open up, and we have 2 separate cargo covers in the 4 Series Gran Coupe, both of which can be removed if need be. We also have carpeted mats down here. There's a plastic storage bin with some illumination on this side. This side has your tire inflator kit plus, as well as your front plate bracket, which we're gonna end up putting on. And if I lift this up, there's a wheel lock key down there as well. And inside of this kit, they've probably put the other wheel lock key in tow because I can feel it bulging out. Open that up. So yeah, Wheel lock key, toe hook actually goes this way. There's a spot for it. And I'm just going to drop the wheel lock key so everything's just in one place. It's easier to manage. Right. And I'm just going to put this back, put the netting up. And I'm just going to leave this here because I'm going to have to show him when he gets here. And there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But I can certainly just kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle to have this close the hands-free way. Oh man, this thing looks great. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put the cap while you refuel. And just clockwise, one click to shut it. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see inside that we have door pull, galvanic window control, Harman Kardon sound system, ambient light. We've also got the red contrast stitching going across, which looks sweet. Door pocket down here. Here's a look at the black and red Vernasca leather interior. There's a release lever on the shoulder to fold the seats down in a 60-40 split. Center headrest can be flipped down. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. And we also have a pass-through through the center here as well. We also have ISOFIX for child safety seats, handles up top with a coat hanger, black headliner, reading lights, and down here we've also got some rear vents, rear climate controls with heated seats for the 2 outer positions, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. We've also got some vents underneath the front seats and some illumination and some mats. So now that we've had a chance to look through the back door, let's shut this one and we'll open the front door next. And we do have a welcome light carpet also on the passenger side. So once we open that up, you'll see that we've got the Harman Kardon sound system in here, unlock, lock. We also have your window switch, nice door panel with some contrast stitching and some red on there too. Nice big pocket here, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under thigh extension, M tricolor stitching on the piping. Headrest is manually adjusted forwards and backwards, up and down. Carbon fiber trim inside. Soft touch materials on the dash. New vent controls, close, open, direct where the air is blowing. So we've got 4 controls like this in the front. We also have your glove box illuminated down here. Some nice padding along the side. Open that up, you got wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. Glass push start button, gear selector, and iDrive controller. And if we lift this up, USB Type-C in there as well. So that is looking great. We also have the curved display here with iDrive 8.5. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up, you'll see that we have Harman Kardon. We also have unlock, lock, memory buttons, all 4 window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, M aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster on this side. And let's take a nice look at those seats. Lots of bolstering. We have the new flat bottom, M steering wheel, M tricolors all the way around in the stitching. Red marker at 12 o'clock, head-up display. And if I jump in here for a minute, you'll see that we also have the garage door opener buttons on the underside of the rear view mirror and sunroof controls up top. So sunshade, it can tilt and slide. SOS for roadside assistance. You got your lights up here. Visor opens and closes with the light. This can come out and it can extend. And looking into the screen, so we do have self-parking options as well. 360 cam. So automatic back park, automatic parallel park, come out of a parking spot. We also have the backup assistant, so it can remember 50 meters how it went forward, so it can go backwards exactly the same way you went forwards. We also have the 3D view, so if you'd like to see all the way around the car, you can do that as well as through the My BMW app, so that is pretty sweet. And now that we've had a chance to look there, let's just jump back out. Down here we've got some exterior lighting controls. There's your pedals. It's 2 times here for your hood. 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. And this time around we have 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We've got these nice strut bars here as well. We've got the positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal over here, and the washer fluid goes in there. Beautiful engine bay, and BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, you literally just have to center down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. So this vehicle is for Micheal. Congratulations. Thank you so much for your business. I appreciate you coming all this long distance just so that we can do this delivery together. And I hope you like seeing your car up on the channel, which I think is pretty sweet. And also, let's just do a little remote engine start, cold start. So 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And 1, 2, 3 to shut it off. And the active grille shutter is opening up. And once they've had enough air, they'll close again. Just like that. So congratulations, Micheal. I hope you love your M440i. And let me know in the comments below what everyone else thinks about this spec. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of Micheal's 2026 BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe Exclusive Edition in Brooklyn Gray with the black and red Vernasca interior. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.